Standing by.
My name is Myrtle. I am a Windrush child. 1948, I was 5 years old. My story is, they ain't gonna stop me. 1948, I didn't come over because I was 5 years old then. My uncle came to England, and then he sent for my brother here in England, who sent for me. My brother paid £75 for me to come here. I came on a ship called the Ascania. The ship supposed to have taken 2 weeks, but it takes 5 long weeks on water. It broke down. So, anyway, long and short of it, I end up in Southampton, here in England. Me say, when I came at Southampton, Lord of mercy, me say it cold. It cold. What I'm talking about, England was so cold. But you know what? I kind of find my way through it, because they said that the streets of England was filled with gold. So anyway, long and short of it, my brother came for me at Southampton, right, with a car. Take me to London. When the car drive, missus, the car cold. Me say, all smoke a come out of my nose. And me not smoke no pipe. Anyway, long and short of it is, time passed, and I settled down kind of. I lived in a house with my brother, my sister, and a couple more people. About 6 away in one house. The house not had no bath. The house not had no toilet. Anyway, time went by. When we inside the house the night for the first time, me want pee. So, me say, where is the toilet? That girl want pee cold pee. And so if you go behind the curtain. Anyway, we went back there, cut the story short. We. Then guess what? We didn't want to do the big job. You know what I mean? But anyway, cut it short. Mrs. said, get your car. We want to go. We end up. Guess what? The tile outside of the yard. The cold. Anyway, that was it. End of my story. Woo-hoo!